This video is brought to you by Haven House Thrift Store. How to craft DIY face masks using fabric thrift store finds. One of the best stay-at-home activities is creating a DIY face mask. Transform your clothes from a fabric thrift store to a protective mask today. A DIY face mask is ideal for protecting yourself against viruses and other harmful pathogens. You can craft them yourself by using thrifted finds from a fabric thrift store. Its benefits include protection, comfort, and reusability. DIY face masks are practical and easy to assemble for anyone. Are you finding it hard to secure face masks against the life-threatening coronavirus, COVID-19? Keep yourself protected by creating a DIY face mask using finds from a fabric thrift store. It's surprisingly simple to make with some old thrifted clothes that you can find in your closet. We can all help flatten the curve through crafting this protective wear at home. Advantages of DIY face masks. 1. Surgical face masks are already severely scarce. Keep yourself and your loved ones safe by having sufficient supply at home. 2. They are useful in preventing yourself from touching your face. 3. They effectively block virus droplets in the air. 4. They are more breathable and comfortable for daily use. 5. DIY face masks are washable and good for the environment. 6. It is a productive stay-at-home bonding activity for your kids and family. 7. It won't cost you a dime. All these materials can be found inside your home. Recommended materials to use. A 100% cotton fabric is the ideal type of material for a cloth face mask. For this DIY project, you can use thrifted t-shirts that you don't use anymore. Other options include handkerchiefs, bed sheets, and scarves. You can opt for more as long as the cloth material is tightly woven. Just make sure that it's breathable and big enough to fit on your face. You will also need some items to secure the mask properly. You may use thrifted ribbons, hair ties, rubber bands, or any other type of strings. These will be used to tie your mask around your head for a safer and more comfortable fit. Grab some scissors and a ruler, and then you're ready to get started. DIY face mask, no sewing needed. Step 1. Grab a clean t-shirt, and place it on a flat surface. Then, use a ruler to measure 7 to 8 inches from the bottom part of the shirt. Step 2. Start cutting across until you get a rectangle-shaped cloth. This piece will serve as the base cover of your face mask. Set aside the unused fabric for more batches of face masks. Step 3. Fold the top and bottom parts of the cloth, and pull it towards the center section. Step 4. Put on your hair ties or rubber bands by looping them at both ends of the cloth. Place them at about 2 inches from the ends. Step 5. Fold the cloth again by placing the top and bottom towards the middle part. Step 6. Now, start folding the sides, directed to the middle part until they meet. The ties or rubber bands should be located at the wrinkled folds. Step 7. Get the cloth, and cover it over your face. Place the ties around your ears to make sure that your fabric face mask is well fitted. If you are using other types of strings, secure it by tying it around your head with a knot. Step 8. Adjust it accordingly. Don't forget that the face mask should entirely cover your nose and mouth areas. Step 9. Optional, get an increased level of protection by using some old coffee filters and placing them behind your mask. This will increase your mask's filtering power against harmful particles. Step 10. You can now use your very own DIY face mask made out of thrifted items. It's important to use them when going outdoors to avoid making yourself more vulnerable to COVID-19. Creating DIY face masks by using fabric thrift store finds is a practical idea to protect yourself during these challenging times. Once this is all over, we can't wait to show you amazing items again at Haven House, one of the best thrift stores in Destin, Florida. See you soon.